Back when I was a child, before I've removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. And up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, and I played a song that would never ever end, 'cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. When my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mom said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, and I played a song that would never ever end, 'cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I hear my mother's cry for him, and I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. Trip lang yan, walang basagan. Ano kasi model ako ng Colgate. See? Lahat yan, Colgate. Kung may sabon nga bibili pa akong sabon na Colgate.